Off and running. No tow strap. Just a few blocks. Just a couple blocks. Just about 2-3 miles. Oh, sounds good. Feels good. No glass, no lights, no safety equipment, no nothing. I just went and reached for a directional handle that wasn't there. It's kind of different. Oh, the rear end is fucking wrong. What the fuck there? We'll put it over here. Fucking behind him. Where's my chase car? Yeah. Alright, here we go. Just a Sunday drive. Just a car with no glass, no lights, and mirrors, or seatbelts, or anything. I got eye protection. And just a couple of blocks on a sunny day. Nothing to see here. Just grabby brakes and a rumble. Okay, here's where it gets weird. Just reach for a directional that wasn't there again. Habits die hard. That guy didn't even look like this was an everyday car. That it is not. Let's get this off the street so I don't get in trouble. Just another car on the road with no lights, glass, nothing at all. Nothing. No, people on the street didn't even look at me. I used to